Hi, मैं हूँ सोना महापात्रा and today has been a very special day because I managed to put out a song with my team, with my band, Tori Surat Ke Balihari, which hopefully highlights the fact that we have to count and celebrate the people that we love in our lives, who watch our backs, who support us, who give us the feeling that there is a reason that we are in this world. There is a reason why we are on this planet Earth. And we have a reason to make the best of each day and best of all circumstances. And I hope you guys listen to that song and watch the video. But outside of that, I also wanted to share, because I spent the whole day receiving calls from the media asking about the recent video put out by one of the biggest singers in the Bollywood mainstream of yesteryears, Sonu Nigam. And I feel a lot of what he talked about, there is a lot of truth in it. There is a lot of bullying. There has been a lot of othering. There has been a lot of issues in the industry for sure, and it's worth having these discussions. But let's not forget that we are talking about a very, one space of music or the industry. And I hope that we have our hearts and our emotions intact. Even for all kinds of artists, because we don't seem to have that, that's what bothers me, saying that yes, it is sad that somebody as accomplished as Sonu Nigam and it's would be called and made to sing amongst 9 other singers. It's a normal practice. It's a terrible practice. It's very disrespectful. There's no doubt. I have had to go to recordings where I have said in the past where I would never endear myself because I talk like this. But the fact that in a romantic duet, women don't have 4 lines to sing, and women don't have songs in the industry. Out of 100 songs, only 8 or 9 songs are for the female voice from a female perspective. That should also be an issue. So, you know what? When we stand up for what is wrong, it's important that we understand that we should have the same heart and the same empathy and the same kindness for all kinds of artists, for all kinds of, inclusivity, for all kinds of fairness, because that's how we can all grow together and become hopefully a much more vibrant, creative industry. So my opinion here is, yes, let's do charcha and talk about what is wrong. Why is it there is a Dhwani, Bhanushali and a Tulsi Kumar that are constantly shoved down our throats from T-Series? But that's their right. It's their own label, I guess. And if the audience is liking it, I mean, who am I to complain about it beyond the point? I mean, it's sad that there doesn't seem to be any meritocracy left. There doesn't seem to be any place for all kinds of talent. But that's been the case for the longest time, and we should notice it, take note of it. And I also feel we should have enough pride and self-esteem and वो होता है ना, एक अभिमान होना चाहिए कि as musicians or as a country which is as big as ours, why are we happy being a music industry as a subset of a film industry? क्यों हम खुश हैं? Why are we okay with that? A music industry, a music bubble, a music ecosystem should be on its own feet, independently putting out music for the sake of music as an expression of artistry which is independent of the film narrative. It's sad that a big country of ours doesn't have a music industry of its own. It's sad that the audience doesn't demand for that or push for that, because it's a demand-supply thing. It's sad that the artists don't put out enough music of their own unless there is this patronage, that is coming from 100 other places. It is difficult, but it is not impossible. I think putting out messages of despair at this time doesn't serve any purpose. Of course, you should take note. Of course, the media should take note. Of course, the authority should take note that things are lopsided. Monopolies can never be good. So the industry being dominated by bullies is not a great thing. It's terrible. It should change. At the same time, musicians and artists need to be expressing themselves independently, owning the fact that technology is on our side. Let's aspire for better standards. Let's put our money where our mouth is. A lot of us have earned a lot of money, but we don't put it back towards creating music or music videos or of any art or content of any real pride or worth. Very few do it. They don't put their own money into things. I think we all need to pull up our socks and we need to be kinder to the younger. We don't need to only talk about the labels doing that. How many veteran musicians have gone out of their way, or artists, to help other upcoming? It's like nobody stops struggling in India. Everybody thinks they're a struggler no matter how much they have achieved and how much they have earned. And that, to me, is sad. That cycle also has to end. So we need to, it's a time for self-reflection. We are still living controlled lockdown lives. It's a time for us to all deeply reflect within and not just blame everybody else. हमें खुद देखना है कि हम खुद क्या कर सकते हैं. My way of saying that I have been othered in the industry. I am not seen as, I mean, it has never been such a meritocracy. It's never been such a talent-oriented thing in any case. But when it comes to music, at least we felt the genes of singing or musicianship cannot be, cannot be usurped by kids of a musician who's Kishore Kumar's son could never make it as big as him. And there is no way, unless he worked as hard or was as committed, that he was going to last it out. I mean, that's just maybe a silly example, but you cannot get 100 retakes and have 100 people doing art direction, makeup, cutting it in a way, editing it in a way so that you get propped up looking great. That's, actors can get away with that. The kind of actors or acting that we are okay with in India can get away with it. I don't think abroad acting is as simple as that. You have to do the grind, you have to know the craft, you have to know dialogue delivery, intonation, voice modulation. I mean, come on, look at many of these star kids. And in all of that, there are also some great talent. Let's not put everybody in the same category. You have a Ranbir Kapoor, you have a Alia Bhatt. I think both are very talented. Just because they are star kids doesn't mean that we paint them with the same brush. I think merit should stand for merit. If you are great, no matter whose son or daughter you are, you deserve all the accolades and all the success. Yes, life might be easier for you and maybe you need to, therefore, if you feel like you would want to pay it back in some way, take care of upcoming talent, do something, but that's your prerogative, it's your right. I'm no one to judge. But talentless people getting away with, their cliques and their circles, very sad. Music industry being a mafia thing, yes, I mean, बहुत सालों से है, ये कोई नई बात नहीं है अभी, बहुत सालों से ये चल रहा है. The quality of music also has been deteriorating, and I hope the audience, it's in your hands, guys. You can just reject it. It is in your hands, and I think all of us should self-reflect. I think even the successful musicians should think about, there are superstars we have. What are we giving back? We should also think about, and not about charity to necessarily here now. Everybody is there to moralize. Migrant labor. What are we doing for the artists community? We have a responsibility towards our own creative community. A creative community makes a country and a civilization magical, beautiful, contributes in ways that, transactional societies will never know what is the joy. I mean, why we should be, taking care of our artists. So I think it's a joint responsibility. I think we all need to go beyond just having these superficial, sensationalist debates on television. I may not be very clear in what I'm telling you, or I might be more verbose now. Maybe I'll get clarity and I'll share my views on this. But the number of people writing into me saying, what do you feel about Sonu Nigam's video, or will you come and talk about it on television? I have not been in a great Wi-Fi space, and I'm happy to be saved of it, because a lot of which he's telling is true. But I also would like to tell him to care just as much when, about, let's all get together as people who have seen much more success and see what we can do for the community, the artist community, for the upcoming singers. Let's try and take care of our musicians better in the band. Let's do so many other things that we could do also. So, I think it's a great time to have all these discussions. And yes, when women don't get songs in the films or in the mainstream success, or we don't get stages that the men artists do, that time also your heart should bleed. Not only the audiences, but even Sonu Nigam's and even everybody else's. So, let's go beyond just myself. Of course, doesn't take away from the fact that nobody should have had to call Sonu, who is so fabulous at his craft and at his technique, to record a song and then redub it with somebody else. That is just blasphemy as for me. That's not done. I have immense respect for him as a mainstream, singer, and the fact that he has gone through this is sad, and it shouldn't happen. Not only to him, it shouldn't happen to anyone. I mean, if you've called Sonu Nigam, you've decided that you want him for a song, then you better be very sure, because what he does behind the mic is not some joke, nor is it that you don't know exactly how he will deliver. So there is no reason why you redub a Sonu Nigam. At the same time, I think the discussion is much bigger right now. I'm glad he started this conversation. Let's all participate, guys. Let's care more about things that go beyond the obvious. So this is me, Sonam Mahapatra, sending you all a lot of love, a lot of healing. I hope many more artists put out music which comes from the soul, and I hope you guys as an audience don't put a caste system on music. Film गाना है तो सुनेंगे, नॉन फिल्म है तो उसको एक illegitimate बच्चे की तरह treat करेंगे, और we will treat it as something which may not be good enough. All music, judge it for what it is, not in the packaging it comes with, not for the packaging it comes with. So even the audience has a role to play in all of this. So guys, let's make a music industry outside of just film music. Yeah, come on. I think a country like 1.3 billion should have a pride in saying we have a music community. We want to go beyond film music. There are ghazals, there are bhajans, there's folk music, there's regional music, there is rock music, there is pop music, there is Maharashtra itself has such interesting varieties of local music. Abhang, this, that. I mean, every state, my own state, like Sambalpuri music is a world into its own. And let's not all look towards that one place. Ki Bollywood mein hi jaake apna matha tekna hai. Bhai, why? Why are we all running after that one single dream in such a big country? Right now the buzzword is Atmanirbhar. I feel the musician community has to become Atmanirbhar. And we have to have pride in what we contribute as creative people. And the audience, I have always gotten a lot of love from all of you, and I feel blessed. I have been putting out a lot of music during lockdown. 9 releases. Today is Tori Surat. Just 2 weeks ago it was Nither Manga. Before that, I put out Guitar Wale Gaane. I just have to every day do my karma. I have to wake up and say, I was born to create music. Hopefully it uplifts the soul. I will take care of my team. I'll make sure my band members feel committed to the cause of music. That's my job. And sending you all a lot of love.